Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear brothers and sisters, welcome to this beautiful day, the last day of Ramadan. Tomorrow is going to be Eid al-Fitr, and we are here live at the Prophet's Masjid, Masjid Nabawiyy, commemorating and celebrating this last day with our Muslim brothers and sisters from all over the world. MashaAllah, you can feel the vibes in the air, the feelings. Everybody's excited for Eid tomorrow. People are coming early. People are coming right now at Maghrib to stay the whole day because it's going to be extremely packed. It's going to be full. Allahu Akbar. Imagine that. Even the bus system is running extra early. SubhanAllah. May Allah Ta'ala accept our siyam, our fasting and our qiyam, our prayers, our salawat, our praying. And abiyad, our act of obedience in this blessed month, donations. May Allah Ta'ala accept from you as well. Those of you who are watching, who are viewing this, who are participating, who have been following. I ask Allah Ta'ala to open the doors of coming to Medina and visiting and maybe even living here for all of you. Ameen Ya Rabb. MashaAllah, you can see people handing out dates. The last opportunity to do good deeds. And I was just here sitting and I said, Yallah, let me record and bring you the last day, inshallah, this blessed month of Ramadan. And right now we are in the family area. You'll notice that there are women and men sitting together. This is where the families usually sit. The women, so the segregated area is over there towards the west, the southwest. But over here in the courtyard in the front towards the Qibla, this area is the south, you'll find that it's generally mixed. Families are sitting here. MashaAllah. SubhanAllah. Now let's go walk a little bit. Let's walk to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I'll bring you the green dome, inshallah. Send our salams as well. I hope it's been a blessed month for all of you. Honestly, this Ramadan has been amazing for me personally. Inshallah, I hope that it gets better. Every Ramadan increases and becomes better, inshallah, for me and for you. And for the Muslims all over the world. Allah. I remind you some of the sunnahs for Eid. Tomorrow is to take a shower, right? To cut your nails, to eat, to eat as well, yes. For Eid al-Fitr, it's good to eat before the prayer. For Eid al-Adha, it's recommended to not eat before the prayer. But for Eid al-Fitr, because we've been fasting the whole month, it's good to eat something before the prayer. So don't forget that sunnah. And of course, go to your masajid, your local masajid, pray the Eid prayer, attend early, make the takbirat, right? Wallah, subhanallah, this is extra crowded over here. Look at this. Even the doors, you can see the red signs. They've been like that for a while. Usually they're green before the prayer, but it's just been red. Subhanallah. Wallah, it's such a beautiful feeling. Bananas, may Allah reward them. Intelligent people getting in their last efforts of doing the good deeds in this blessed month where the deeds are multiplied exponentially. MashaAllah, okay. Last day of Ramadan, my dear brothers and sisters. Make dua wherever you are in the world. If it's still Ramadan when you're watching this, it might be nighttime. Do the good deeds. Work hard. Especially at the end. Right? Especially at the end. Don't get fatigued and tired. Which is common, but we just have to push ourselves. Like everybody else is over here doing. Somebody's giving out some food over here. There's not even anywhere to walk. Allahu Akbar. I've come to a dead end. Usually there should be a place to walk. But everybody wants to sit here beside the green dome where they can witness the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Assalamu alaikum ya Sayyidi ya Rasulullah. السلام عليكم يا نبي الله. السلام عليكم يا شفيع الأمة. السلام عليكم يا مزمل. أشهد أنك رسول الله. قد بلغت الرسالة وأديت الأمانة ونصحت الأمة وجاهدت في سبيل الله حق جهاده حتى أتاك اليقين. الشفاعة 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 يا رسول الله. الشفاعة 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 يا رسول الله. سبحان الله. السلام عليكم يا أبو بكر الصديق يا خليفة رسول الله ويا صاحب رسول الله وأنيسه في الغار ورفيقه في الأسفار. جزاك الله عنا أفضل ما جزى إماما عن أمة نبيه صلى الله عليه وسلم. النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم عمر بن الخطاب. السلام عليكم يا عمر بن الخطاب. السلام عليكم يا أمير المؤمنين. السلام عليكم من فتح معظم البلاد بعد سيد المرسلين. جزاك الله عنا خير الجزاء يا سيدي يا عمر بن الخطاب. And then we send our salam to the deceased Muslims in the Baqi' cemetery. السلام عليكم يا دار قوم المؤمنين أنتم السابقون ونحن إن شاء الله بكم لاحقون. غفر الله لنا المستقدمين منا والمستأخرين. رزقكم الله وإيانا العافية. Assalamu alaikum, yeah. And then we make salam to specific people in the cemetery, because in this blessed cemetery of Al-Baqi' there are 10,000 companions of the Prophet that are buried here, subhanallah, and many of the family of the Prophet, his wives, children, and great scholars of Islam. Assalamu alaikum ya Sayyidina Uthman ibn Affan. Assalamu alaikum ya Fatimah al-Zahra. Assalamu alaikum ya Aisha بنت أبي بكر الصديق. السلام عليكم يا زين العابدين. MashaAllah. And there's many more. Inshallah, one day we'll talk about those who are buried in Al-Baqi'. And subhanallah, such congestion over here. Food is being distributed. I wonder what it is. I'm not sure. But subhanallah, my brother's praying right in the middle of all of this. Subhanallah. How beautiful is this? Wallah. May Allah accept from all of us. Ameen ya Rabb. SubhanAllah. Like I said earlier today, or earlier in this video, take advantage of these last few moments wherever you are in the world, my dear brothers and sisters. SubhanAllah. Farewell Ramadan, farewell Ramadan. Allah. These are brothers are making nasheeds, chanting. SubhanAllah. Farewell Ramadan, farewell Ramadan. SubhanAllah. Many of the pious Muslims, they get extremely sad when Ramadan ends because of just because of all the khayr, the barakah that it brings, you know, and they might not reach another Ramadan. So you find their eyes fill up with tears. SubhanAllah. Muwadda' muwadda' ya Ramadan. Muwadda' muwadda' ya Ramadan. Farewell Ramadan, farewell Ramadan. Alright, inshallah, I'm gonna try to get back to where I was sitting. It's getting busier and busier. So we'll just say Eid Mubarak to everybody. May Allah Ta'ala accept your deeds. And inshallah we'll see you on another day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.